Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset GCash MPIN without face verification. I ran into this myself when trying to reset my GCash MPIN and got stopped by face verification. So here's a quick reality. If you still know your current MPIN, just log in, go to Profile, open Settings, tap Change MPIN. Since you're already signed in, this usually doesn't require a face scan, but if you tap Forgot MPIN, that's different. GCash treats this as a high-risk action, so facial verification is typically required. Turning off biometrics in your phone settings won't bypass it because the verification is enforced on GCash's system, not your device. If the face scan fails, your only real option is the Help Center. In some cases, support may verify your identity through documents instead, but that depends on your account. So there's no guaranteed way to skip face verification. If prompted, contacting support is your safest solution. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.